Welcome to our tour in Richmond Hill. If you've been looking for elegance and a prime location, a spacious house, this could be the right house for you because elegance is all over this home. Steps to Yonge Street, steps to Bathurst, Major Mac Hospital, and so much more. We're technically in downtown Richmond Hill. Let's take a look. What I love about winter time and snow is that we can really feature and show you the swimming pools. Believe it or not, there's a hidden gem here. There's a stunning swimming pool here in this house, which we cannot show you, but here's an image.
Now we are on second floor. On this level, we have 4 spacious bedrooms. Let's take a look.
This house is so unique, including the 3rd level. This is your second family room. It is a perfect space, has its own bedroom with its own ensuite, walk-in closet.
Welcome to the entertainment level, where you can have your own bar and enjoy it with your friends.
Thank you for watching. This is the end of the tour, but a beginning of a new journey for a home buyer. We hope to see you soon.